We're going to be making pantry pesto pasta and easy cheesy chicken in our Instant Pot today. All these ingredients were sitting around my pantry, in my refrigerator. That's me, I'm Instant Pot Dave with TheWildWaynes. Let's make a all-in-one easy dinner in our Instant Pot. We'll start it off with some frozen broccoli we had sitting in the freezer. Run some lukewarm water over the frozen broccoli. Let that sit and thaw while we get our chicken ready. And lay our chicken breast down. Cover it with some plastic wrap, and we'll use a meat tenderizer just to evenly flatten that breast out to about 3/4 of an inch, so it's all one thickness. There you go, and we'll season one side of our chicken breast with some fresh cracked black pepper, some salt and granulated garlic. We'll hit saute, and when the pot is hot, we'll add our olive oil. And we'll place our chicken breast seasoned side down in our oil. And then we'll season the other side of our chicken breast with fresh cracked black pepper, salt, and granulated garlic. After 3 minutes, we'll flip our chicken breast. You can see our chicken breasts are beautifully browned. After another 3 minutes, we'll move our chicken breast to a plate. And we'll clean our browning off the bottom of our pot with just a little bit of water. We'll scrape the bottom clean with a wooden spatula. It's a lot of good flavor. And we'll add the rest of our water. And we'll add some chicken bouillon to our water. You can add chicken broth if you'd rather. I like the chicken bouillon myself. And we'll put some granulated garlic in there. Some granulated onion, and some salt, and black pepper. Do a good tablespoon full of basil and about a teaspoon of thyme. And let's get a 1/4 cup of olive oil in there. We'll break our 16 ounces of spaghetti in half. Lay them down in layers going different directions. Just allow the fluid to flow around the spaghetti so it all cooks evenly. We'll tuck the spaghetti down underneath the broth level. Then we'll place our chicken breasts right on top. Just like that. Then we'll put our lid on and seal our pressure release valve. We'll pressure cook for 7 minutes, 6 if it's a smaller chicken breast. And we'll use this time to fine shred some Parmesan cheese. That's about a 1/4 cup's worth. And then we'll fine shred some mozzarella cheese. It's about a 1/2 cup's worth. You can freeze it for about a 1/2 hour first to make it easier to shred. After 7 minutes are up, we'll release our pressure. You can divert the steam with a minion if you'd like. It's time to take off the lid. Let's move those chicken breasts out of the way for just a moment. Remember to share our video with your friends and family. Now, there's a little bit of water sitting on top. That spaghetti will soak it up. I'd add the broccoli in and then stir the broccoli into your spaghetti. It'll help it cook more evenly. And then you'll have a nice hot bed of spaghetti to put your chicken breast back onto. Oh, looking good. I had a quarter cup of plain breadcrumbs in the pantry and thought I'd spread them around over the top of the chicken. And then we'll put a little bit of Italian seasoning. And then we'll sprinkle our Parmesan cheese. And then our mozzarella cheese. And you can put your breadcrumbs in between the cheese layers if you'd like. We'll put our lid back on. We'll saute that for only 2 minutes. Cancel after 2 minutes and let sit for 8 more minutes. And now we have ourselves some perfect pantry pesto pasta with ingredients that we had laying around. And then a beautiful, easy, cheesy chicken. You can put marinara on it and make it a Parmesan chicken to go with your pantry pesto pasta. The chicken comes out ridiculously tender and super flavorful. The pasta is super easy and an incredible pesto flavor. What an easy dinner. We're working on some more one-pot recipes. They're the perfect dinner for a busy day. Yeah, we all cleaned our plates. It was so good. Well, I had a whole lot of fun, you guys. It's time to say goodnight. Remember to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell. Get notified when we have a new video out there for you to watch. Give us a thumbs up and share our video with your friends and family. And there's a link in this video's description that'll take you right to our recipe. And you can print it off. Thanks a lot, you guys. Take care of yourselves out there. Bye-bye.
What?